Did you know that in the last 70 years, global meat consumption has surged sixfold, rising from 45 million tons annually in 1950 to an astonishing 300 million tons today? However, this boom comes with its challenges, including concerns over health risks associated with high meat consumption. Welcome to Holistic Halo Vibes. In today's video, we'll explore the fascinating world of animal proteins, discuss the top 5 animal sources and unpack their nutritional profile. We'll also learn of their health benefits and potential risks. So, stay tuned because you don't want to miss this one. Let's first understand what proteins are and why they are so important for our health. Protein, often called the building block of life, is an essential macronutrient. Our bodies rely on it to build and repair tissues, support the immune system, and build muscle. Proteins are made up of amino acids, and of the 20 amino acids, 9 must be obtained from our diet. These are known as the essential amino acids. Animal proteins are organic compounds primarily derived from animal sources, including meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products. Animal proteins are generally considered complete proteins as they contain all 9 essential amino acids in sufficient quantities. Here are the top 5 animal protein sources. First up, chicken. They are rich in proteins and low in saturated fats. 100 grams provides 24 to 32 grams of complete proteins depending on the cut. They are great for supporting muscle growth and repair. With their high protein and low fat content, they are a good addition to weight management. Chicken is rich in vitamin B12, iron, zinc, and tryptophan. Next, eggs. A large egg contains about 6 grams of complete protein and only 70 calories. They are rich in nutrients such as vitamin B12, vitamin D, choline, and selenium. Egg yolks are rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin that promote eye health and reduce the risk of age-related eye issues. Eggs are high in protein and low in saturated fats and calories, making them great for weight management. Third, salmon. They are an excellent protein source with 100 grams containing around 20 grams of proteins. Salmon are high in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B12, selenium, and vitamin D. The high omega-3 content is excellent for heart health. They help reduce inflammation and manage cholesterol. Not just the heart, omega-3 fatty acids support the brain, skin, hair, and bone health. They are high in astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage and may lower the risk of chronic diseases. Fourth, beef. These are classified as red meat, which contains higher levels of iron compared to poultry and fish. 100 grams of cooked beef provides around 26 to 31 grams of complete proteins depending on the specific cut. Beef is great for muscle growth and repair and is an excellent source of heme iron, which is more readily absorbed by the body compared to non-heme iron found in plant foods. These are also rich in nutrients like zinc, vitamin B12, vitamin B3, and selenium. Fifth, pork. They are red meat and are recognized for their high protein content. 100 grams of cooked pork consists of 26 grams of complete proteins. They are rich in nutrients like thiamine, selenium, vitamin B12, vitamin B6, and phosphorus. These nutrients play vital roles in energy metabolism, immune function, and maintaining healthy blood cells. They also provide a good source of heme iron. Here are the 5 benefits of consuming animal proteins. First up, animal proteins are considered complete protein sources, as they contain all the 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot synthesize on its own. This makes them particularly beneficial for muscle growth, repair, and overall bodily functions. Second, the protein from animal sources is generally more bioavailable than that from plant sources. This means the body can digest, absorb, and utilize animal protein more effectively. Third, animal proteins are rich sources of vitamin B12, iron, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids. Fourth, consuming an adequate amount of animal protein helps maintain muscle mass and prevents muscle loss with age. It also supports muscle growth and repair. Animal proteins contribute to enhanced physical performance by providing not only protein but also other nutrients like creatine and beta-alanine. These are beneficial for muscle function and reducing fatigue during exercise. Fifth, bone health. Many animal protein sources like dairy products are rich in calcium and other nutrients that support bone health. Adequate protein intake is essential for maintaining bone density. It is important to understand that the protein content in animal sources can vary based on the specific cut of meat. Cuts such as chicken breast, pork tenderloin, and sirloin steak are typically higher in protein and lower in fat. Now that we have discussed the benefits, let's talk about 7 potential side effects of animal proteins. First up, high consumption of red and processed meats has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease. This is due to the saturated fat and cholesterol content found in these meats, which can contribute to clogged arteries and increased blood pressure. Next at 2, high animal protein diets can cause stress on the kidneys. Also, high animal proteins can increase uric acid levels, causing kidney stones. At 3, high intake of red meat, particularly processed varieties, is associated with an increased risk of cancer. Also, the high consumption of heme iron in red meat is linked with esophageal and stomach cancer. Not just that, a high intake of heme iron has been shown to increase the risk of type 2 diabetes by 26%. There is shocking evidence to show that red meat, when cooked at high temperatures, can increase the risk of certain cancers like the colon, rectum, pancreas, and kidney. Next, at 4, consuming animal proteins like red meat and saltwater fish can lead to higher levels of TMAO, a compound produced by gut bacteria. High TMAO levels are linked to increased inflammation and a higher risk for cardiovascular diseases. At 5, animal proteins lack dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining gut health. A diet high in animal proteins may lead to digestive issues and affect gut health. Next, at 6, diets rich in animal proteins can increase uric acid levels in the body, leading to gout. Also, a high protein-rich animal diet can increase calcium levels in the urine, causing bone loss and osteoporosis. Finally, at 7, animal protein like salmon tends to accumulate contaminants and heavy metals like mercury. Long-term exposure to these substances has been linked to various health issues, including hormonal disruptions, increased cancer risk, neurological damage, particularly in developing fetuses and young children. As we wrap up this video, it's clear that these foods play a vital role in our diets. While animal proteins can support muscle, brain, eye, and bone health, and improve overall health, it's crucial to note that moderation is the key here. It's important to be mindful of the quantity, especially when consuming red meat. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.